Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Thank you. Welcome once again. Yoruba and knock down Obi supporters. So we saw that on the 1st of October, during the Independence Day of Nigeria, all the supporters of Peter Obi came out and they were doing rally all over Lagos and in some part of the country. And people were shocked. He has always been having this online massive followers. People never believed he was going to have those kind of physical followers coming for him, supporting him. So it really shocked them on that Independence Day, and there were many. And when I saw them, I almost videoed them like there were many. So they were all out there. And now Yorubas are saying, wait, although Tinubu is not supporting Yoruba nation, but that doesn't mean that they should just leave their brother out of it now, Abi. We should just look at the case of the Igbos. They are not supporting, like Peter Obi is not supporting Biafra, he's supporting one Nigeria. So, but some Igbos are seen supporting, those that are supporting Biafra are seen coming out to support Peter Obi. So why can't the Yorubas also come out and support Tinubu? So they said they will not just leave Tinubu out in the cold. And they came out and said, it is not fair. It is not fair what is happening in Nigeria. It is not fair. So this woman, she listed a lot of things that Yorubas are going through in the hands of the Igbos, even in their own land. It was so annoying. So before I give you the full details of the news, do not forget to like this video channel. And for those who have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do not forget to subscribe to get more of this exciting news. And also do not forget to click on the notification button to get notified whenever I will bring you latest updates on Nigeria and Yoruba nation. Now here's the details of the news for today. So the woman said, is it by force to stay in Nigeria? Yorubas had their government before colonization, and before colonization came and merged them together. Now Yorubas are saying that they don't want to do again. They want to leave Nigeria. So why are they stopping them? Is it by force? She said the Igbos ate Yorubas. And what she said is, I was trying to think of, okay, what evidence is she holding that she said the Igbos ate Yorubas? So as I'm saying this, if you, I don't know, you're Yoruba and you think the Igbos hate Yoruba, what thing have you seen? What action has the Igbos taken that will show that they hate the Yorubas? So please, I'll be waiting for that comment. Do not forget to comment on that. We know that the Fulanis hate the Yorubas because of one, they are killing the Yorubas. But she said the Igbos ate Yorubas. So what thing has the Igbos done to the Yorubas that we want her to say that the Igbos ate Yorubas? So I'll be waiting for your own reaction to that. Now let's continue. She said Yorubas have become slaves even in their own land. So she mentioned some few reasons why she said Yorubas have become slaves even in their own land, especially Lagos. I would say that before the end of the podcast. So she said the reason why some Igbos will not support Yorubas living in Nigeria is because they will lose. Let me say that again. The reason why some Igbos will not support Yorubas living in Nigeria is because they will lose. And she stated an example here. She said most Igbos, they come to Lagos, and when they come, they don't have shishi in their hand. They will rent one room, and then they will maybe start doing some few businesses, and then they'll begin to go. Within 5 months, maybe they have a shop, 2 shops, 3 shops, and begin to buy landed properties. And then they begin to grow so well. And they have shops all over. And truly, if you go check, last time I went to Ekpe, I saw Igbo people in Ekpe, shops all over. So they have shops even in Alaba, the Alaba International that we know now. Igbos, they are the ones that are there. They sell land there, they sell the shops there, they collect the money. And there was one time I heard that this Igbo said, let me use the right word. I want to see what they don't bond their way for them to come and do campaign in Alaba International Market. So now the Igbos have taken that part of the land as their own. So this is what the woman was trying to point out, that it's not fair now. This is their own land. Why would the Igbos be trying to control them? So she said these people now, they will not want the Yorubas to leave, because when Yorubas leave, all the land, they will collect their land back. They will collect. So how will the businesses of these Igbos thrive when they collect everything? So they would. This is the reason. This is one of the reasons why they would not want the Yorubas to leave yet. He said those controlling Alabas, they are Igbos. Igbos are not collecting Omonile. Yes, Igbos are now Omonile, even in Yoruba land. Can you imagine? And she said this can never be done in their land, in Igbo land. That you cannot sell land as a Yoruba man there. You don't have the right to sell any land there. But Igbos have come to their land, Yoruba land, to begin to sell their own land to them. And she mentioned one fact that, for example, if an Igbo man and a Yoruba man want to buy land from a seller, if let's just say, I'm just trying to assume, if it's 1 million for the land, this normal price is 1 million, and the Yoruba man is about to pay, but the Igbo are like, okay, I'm going to give you 2 million, just sell the land to me. Maybe the land is in a very good position, location, that the seller can sell that land to the Igbo man because he wants to pay more, and that is the reason why Igbos now even have more land in Yoruba land. The Yorubas have sold their birthrights, they've sold their land, they sold everything to the Igbos. So this is really upset that the Igbos have turned them to slaves even in their own land. What's your own reaction to this one? This one is kind of surprising to me, but what's your own reaction? Let me hear your reaction in the comment section. She said when the supporters of Obi came out on October 1st to do a massive rally, the Obas did not see anything. One Sokokon, they kept quiet. They said, it's one Nigeria now. They are saying one Nigeria, so they have the right to come out to do a rally. She said abroad, when your right is being trampled upon, you will speak up and the government will listen. But it's only in Yoruba land that you won't be able to speak up against injustice because you want to be known as an Omoluabi. That was really deep. Yorubas don't want to speak up because nowadays if an elder does something and you just speak up little, they will tell you that you don't have respect, you're being rude. So this is what she's saying, that I don't get it. I should say the truth, right? So why are you telling me that I'm disrespectful or I'm not an Omoluabi? Why? I'm speaking something that is everybody knows is affecting us. So why are you saying this and why are you saying that? So what's your reaction to that also? What's your reaction? And she said one last thing. She said Yorubas are the only ones that are slaves among the three tribes. The three tribes are the Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa. That Yoruba is the slave among the two. She gave her reason. She gave her reason. She said the Fulanis, we all know that they have the seats, the presidential seats. They rule mostly Nigeria. They rule Nigeria mostly. And the Igbos, if you look very well, they have shops all over. They have shops. So what is the benefit? What is their own gain? What is the gain of the Yorubas even in their own land? Now the Igbos have been taking over their land. So this is the reason why she's saying that the Yorubas are slaves in their own land. So what's your reaction to everything this woman said? What's your take? I'll be waiting for your reply in the comment section. Thank you so much, even as you do so. God bless.